Thank you, IBR, for giving this wonderful opportunity. Okay, my name is Dr. Dr Gupta. I'm from Hyderabad. Basically, I'm a medical doctor, and I got this award for clearing 45 exams in the medical coding and health information management. So, yeah, thank you. I can say proudly that I'm the only person in the world who has done all these medical coding degrees. So you may be having a doubt, what is medical coding? So, especially in India, if you take the banking sector, finance sector, etc., everything is digitalized except healthcare. Today also, now also we pay cash and and we take the services, right? But in developed countries, what happens is for every medical visit, even if you buy a tablet, even if you go to operation, even for blood test, everything is digitalized. So we assign a medical codes as per WHO standards and submit to the government and to health insurance companies. India, we don't have the system. In 2004, when I went to US to learn the medical coding, I thought I'll do for time pass for 2 or 3 years because I had my own hospital in Hyderabad. But after seeing the importance and the value of medical coding, then I had done all exams in the medical coding. It took me 20 years for this to get this task. And in India, I've trained more than 25,000 people, and all my students, they're placed worldwide, especially in America, UAE, and India. So this coding has a wonderful future. So that's why, with the passion, I done this all these exams, and I got this award. And thanks to IBR for giving this opportunity. Yep. Thank you.
Good morning, Dr. Gupta. Today we are in the office of IBR and we would like to welcome you.
Thank you.
Tell me about your record.
Okay. My name is Dr. Gupta, and I have cleared 45 certification in medical coding and health information management. I started my career in medical coding in almost year in 2002. And since 2002 till 2023, as of now, still I'm doing the medical coding only. Studied all specialties of medical coding and trained more than 25,000 students throughout the worldwide. And we have office in Hyderabad by the name Medesun. So basically, I have a lot of passion towards medical coding right from the beginning. So with that passion, and I studied all specialties of medical coding and cleared all the exams. Mm-hmm. As of now, I can say I'm the only person worldwide who has done all 45 degrees in the medical coding. And my vision is to help the people to clear the exams and get a wonderful job in medical coding.
Dr. Saab, you have got 37 certificates. Mm-hmm. Can you please explain what kind of these certificates are? Okay.
So 37 was in 2017, but now as of 2024, I have done 45.
Okay.
Recently I've done a course from the Indian School of Business, ISB in Hyderabad, and these are related to the medical coding. Mm-hmm. So medical coding means it's assigning the medical codes for the patient medical records. Mm-hmm. In developed countries, health insurance and WHO recommends that every medical record we have to assign the medical codes. So for this medical coding, there's a course will be there from the American Medical Association and the WHO. So I have studied this medical coding in the year 2004 and then cleared all the exams in the medical coding. So it's completely related to the health information management, health data management, and the health, the research and data management, data analytics related to the healthcare.
How did you manage to get the feat of these certificates? How did you manage?
Okay. So as I told, I have a lot of passion towards studying, especially the healthcare. Basically a medical doctor. So once when I heard about medical coding in 2004, I thought it's a very interesting subject and demand is more throughout the worldwide. Then I went to USA to get training there, and then by seeing the subject, by seeing the career opportunities, and the healthcare is a $1 trillion industry. Means a lot of demand is in the future, and even because the COVID pandemic also, demand is huge. Mm. So with that passion and with that career opportunity for the students, so I learned all the medical coding subjects, all specialties, and it took me 20 years to complete all certifications in medical coding. Mm. And I'm planning to do 2 more in next year. But if God willing, I may be doing 50 certifications by 2025. Okay. I want to learn the medical coding worldwide, not only in the India, USA, also the Australia, UK, and the Germany medical coding. Yep.
What challenges did you face?
Yeah. So there are so many challenges which I faced when I studying the course, especially financial problems anyone will have. Second thing is, you have to study a lot because medical coding is a very complex subject. You should have dedication, determination to clear the exams and to study the subject. So, being a family man and, managing my own business, kids, etc. I even spent almost 16 hours per day, almost for 6 months to clear the exams. And finally, by God's grace, I cleared all the exams.
16 hours a day.
Yes, so sometimes I work 16 hours per day.
My God.
And I done medical coding of more than, I can say around 1 million medical records, since 20 years. Yeah, it takes a lot of hard work.
Of course.
Of course, and like I say, the blessings of the God.
This is like a passion towards your
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
studies and everything, isn't it?
Yes, like my family support, God's grace, how they helped me to come to this level.
Right. What else do you think about your future?
Okay, so now as of now, my plan is to do some more certifications, worldwide coding, especially Europe, UK, and Germany, and I want to train the life science graduates throughout the India, and we want to open the franchises throughout the India, and help the thousands of life science graduates to get a job in medical coding and get a wonderful career opportunities. The demand is huge for medical coding.
Right.
Yep.
What is the scope and future of the medical coding in India?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Medical coding has a very good future. Why? Because of the COVID pandemic, now we require intelligence from the data. So as of now, you can see we have the doctors, we have the intelligence, but we don't have proper data. So this medical coding provides a proper data for the research analysis. And this data helps for the clinical research and the healthcare transparency. So this way what happens is in the future, we can prevent even if pandemic comes also, we can save the lives of the people. And medical coding helps in the clinical research and also it prevents the fraud abuse in the healthcare. So I can say every doctor, every pharmacist, every laboratory requires medical coder. So there will be more than 20 lakh jobs in next 3 to 4 years in the medical coding. So there is a huge scope for the life science graduates.
Right.
Yep.
From where you heard about IBR?
Yeah, IBR, I learned through some of my friends. He told that because when you done 35 certifications, they said you want some recognition. Then my friends just done some research online. They said found that the IBR is an authentic body where they do with due diligence they award you. So then I approached them and I got this record. And I'm very fortunate that I got the record from IBR.
That's very appreciation kind of thing. And what do you think about what was the impact on your personal life after getting the record?
Okay, so the impact is first of all, I got more self-motivation. My kids got motivated and my students, they got motivation. Now everyone is trying for the same thing. Everyone want to prove that even if you do hard work also, if this recognition is of no use, right? So they feel like IBS is a very good platform where you recognize the people with the hard work, the talent, and definitely it's a wonderful opportunity for them to showcase the talent.
Right.
I really appreciate the IBR for doing the wonderful initiative. And identifying talent and bringing it together is a very good thing. Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And thanks for coming to the IBR. Thank